pala kay A. And then, pinuntahan ko siya. Then I found out na nahulog siya. Tapos napilayan siya. And then we had to rush her sa hospital. Tapos from then on, natutunan ko to always trust my instincts.
Pero parang gets ko naman. May ganun ako nararamdaman pagdating din sa pamilya ko eh. May tawag sila dun eh, yung luksong dugo.
Lukso ng dugo.
Lukso ng dugo, oo, tama. Kung meron talagang nangyayari kay A, sasabihin naman niya yun sa'yo. Antayin mo na lang.
Talaga?
Oo. Antayin mo. Ikaw lang nagsistress sa sarili mo.
Wala kaming balak ikalat yung mga videos. Nakatago sa safe na lugar yung laptop ni Zach to make sure na wala yung makaka-access na. Ngayon, yung mga tanong ko naman yung sagutin mo. Anong ginagawa mo sa gym? Nung oras na nasusunog ang biktima?
Nag-workout ako kasi palagi ng inspector. Daily. Kasi kakasal ako.
Nagdala ka ba ng mga fireworks powder sa gym?
Hindi. Hindi. Why would I do that?
Gumagamit ka ba ng tea tree oil? Anong alam mo tungkol doon?
I told you I wish I killed Zach, pero hindi nga. Hindi nga ako. Siguro kung meron akong ginawang mali, yun yung nagpakatanga ko. And wala, ito yung parusa ko. Ito yung parusa ko sa kahihiyan na ginawa ni Zach sa akin. Bakit ba ganun? Bakit ba babae lagi nagsasuffer sa mga ganito? Bakit kayong mga lalaki, tuwa-tuwa pa kayo pag may mga ganitong issue? Tapos ano kami mga babae? Gina-judge? Napapahiya? Bakit yun? Bakit hindi kami pwede maging buo kahit minsan? Bakit hindi kami pwede magkamali? Kahit onti lang. Bakit ganun? Dahil niyo.
Eh? Hey.
Yana, what are you doing here?
They've told me na nandito daw yung appointment mo. And I came kasi nag-aalala na ako sa'yo. Lutang ka kagabi after ka-interviewin ng mga inspectors, tapos ngayon parang mugto yung mata mo. Eh, what are they asking you to make you cry like that? Huh? I don't have to be Sherlock Holmes to know that you're hiding something. Hey, are you hiding something?
Wala akong tinatago, okay? They just asked me questions about Mom. Halika na muna tayo.
Hey. You've been there for me. More times than I can count. Hindi lang kita best friend. Para na kitang sister. I know you're going through something right now, okay? And if you're not ready, you don't have to tell me right now. But I just want you to know that you're not alone. Alam mo, napakawalang hiya talaga ng Zach na yan. Kung buhay pa siya, for sure, ang dami na pwedeng isang pangkaso sa kanya.
Parang ayoko nang umabot doon, Yana. Lalo lang ako may expose.
Alam mo, I knew it, okay? I knew it. I should have warned you back then. I should have warned you when I saw you two together. Nakita mo kami? Wait.
I'm so
Stop. Not here.
Ano naman tao dito?
Zach! Wait. Zach, not here.
Ay, saan ka lang, babe?
Hey. Stop it. Wait, stop. Pinali ka na.
Yana, nakita mo kami? But it was just once. Okay? Just once. Lalandian kayo ni Zach. Papunta sa car niya. Hindi ko nga sinabi sa'yo kasi alam kong break na kayo ni Luke. And I just thought to myself na you're a grown woman, you know? And wala namang masama kung nagkatikiman kayo ni Zach, di ba?
Tikiman. Is that the reason why I'm being punished? Kasi tumikim ako ng bawal.
Alam mo, technically wala namang bawal sa ginawa niyo eh. Diba, you were single, Zach was single, wala naman kayo sinaktang tao. You were just trying different options.
So I'm facing the consequences now. Why is this all happening? Am I a bad person? Karma ko ba to? Deserve ko ba to?
Hindi. Okay, you don't deserve this. No one deserves this. Alam mo kung sino may deserve ng ganito? Si Zach. Kaya magpasalamat na lang talaga siya at nasunog siya kasi if he's still alive until now, he's really going to get everything that's coming to him. Pakababoy niya. To think na tinatago niya lahat ng videos mo while he was still with Liv? Oh my God, he's so sick. Napakababoy niya.
Si Liv. Yan si Liv. Anong gagawin ko? Anong gagawin ko kapag nalaman to ni Liv? Yana, kailangan ba unahan ko na siya? Kailangan ba kausapin ko na siya? Yana, I can't lose her. I can't lose my sister, Yana. Hindi pa talaga pwede. Ayoko na. I just wanna disappear. Ayoko na.
It's okay? Just breathe, okay? Just relax. Just relax. I am here for you. Okay? I am here for you. Hindi kita iiwan. We are in this together. Okay? As for Liv, I guess. But she doesn't know what hurt her, diba? And the police, they said na the video will be kept confidential, okay? Sa kanila lang yun. So, it's just us who knows, okay? And I promise I will never break your confidence ever again. I won't let you disappear.